welcome back. Today's Stitch Back to Basics video is how to do a triple crochet or a treble crochet stitch. The materials you'll need is a bit of yarn and a crochet hook. Again, I'm using a 5.5mm hook or an eye hook. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today's stitch, we're going to start off with a foundation of 14 chains. We're going to be starting our stitch in the 5th chain from the hook, which means we're going to be skipping these first 4 here. So to begin this stitch, we're going to yarn over twice. So once like normal, and I like to hold the yarn there, and then twice. So it gives you the illusion that you have 3 loops on your hook. Now we're going to skip the first 4 chains and insert our hook into the 5th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull that yarn through this loop here and bring it up. Now it looks like we have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over so it looks like we have 5 loops on our hook, and we're going to pull this piece here through these first 2 loops, just like that. Now it looks like you have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over again and go through these next 2 loops here, and then we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over so it looks like 3, and we're going to pull them through these 2 loops here. And that is your triple or treble crochet stitch. So let's do it again into the next chain. Let's yarn over twice, so 1 and 2, insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull it through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over so it looks like you have 4, go through the next 2, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over so it looks like you have 3, and go through the last 2 loops there. And that's what it will look like. We're going to go ahead and do it again. We're going to yarn over and yarn over, insert our hook into our stitch, yarn over and bring that through. You're going to yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the next 2, yarn over and go through the last 2. Let's do that again a little bit faster. And that's what it's going to start looking like. Okay, let's do it again. And the more you practice, the faster you get. And this stitch is really great for if you want to work up a project pretty quickly, such as an afghan. But it does kind of give it a lacy feel because there's a lot of holes or gaps in between these stitches, as you can see here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 3 more of these. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, and it's kind of like a double crochet, just extended. And there you have it, our first row of triple or treble crochet stitches. To do your second row, we're going to chain 4. So yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then turn your work. I'm going to grab some more yarn here. And I'm going to start my next row. So I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook into this stitch here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And I'm going to keep on doing this until I have 10 more stitches made. I'll walk you through this stitch one more time. We're going to yarn over once and twice. Looks like you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to insert your hook into your stitch. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull that through. You're going to yarn over again and go through the first 2 stitches. You're going to yarn over again and go through the next 2. Then you're going to yarn over once more and go through the last 2 loops. Just like that. Now I'm going to repeat this until I have 10 rows of triple or treble crochet stitches, and I'll meet you back here when I'm done. Alright, I'm coming up to the end of my 10th row. And I'm going to finish it off by acting like I'm going to do a chain, and then I'm just going to pull tight. I'm going to cut my yarn, and I'm going to pull this loop through and tug it tight so I know it's secure. And I'm going to pan out a little bit, and this is what 10 rows of triple or treble crochet look like. Now to compare it to the other swatches that we made in the previous videos, this is by far the tallest stitch that we've done. So here is our half double crochet swatch here in comparison, and our double crochet, and then our single crochet there. But as you can see, it is the tallest stitch that we've done, and it could work up a project fairly quickly, such as a scarf or, like I said before, a blanket. So if you like what you saw today or you learned something, please thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what other types of videos or stitches you would like to see go up on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!